Here is an overview of my recent workshop, Gratitude in Business. Did you know that word-of-mouth marketing is 50 to 80% more effective than any other kind of advertising? When clients like you or your product, they talk about your business. So we got down to business writing our own thank you messages. The keys are to A, focus on the receiver, B, use you language, C, be specific, and D, press send. The results were incredible. Some of the responses we received were funny, some were sweet, but they were all heartfelt. Thank you to the Abu Dhabi Business Women's Council for inviting me to deliver this practical and fun workshop. You are making a difference in women's success.